Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe. To my old subscribers, thanks for all your support. In today's recipe, I will be making beans porridge and fried plantain. So I'm gonna start by cooking my beans with my pressure pot for 10 minutes. While my beans is cooking, I will start by cleaning and slicing my plantain. After that, I will fry my plantain and set it aside. Please, my lovely people, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Some little amount of vegetable oil in my cooking pot and allow it to heat for a while. Then I'll go ahead and add my chopped onions, add my seasoning herbs to enhancing the flavor of my food. Then I will fry for a few minutes. Then I will go ahead and add my blended mixed pepper. Allow it to fry for like 5 minutes. Then add my seasoning cube, add salt, blended crayfish and my chicken stock. Then give it a quick stir. If there is any need to add extra water, you can as well add. Then allow it to cook for like 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I will add my well cleaned and soft beans. Then I will cover and allow the water to dry for a little bit. Next, I will go ahead and clean my Indian mackerel fish, season it, then fry. Guys, let's check on our beans now. As you can see, my beans porridge is ready to be served. Please guys, don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page at Angel's Kitchen.